we got the new Fire Minis just right next to the old. This is what y'all do to me?
Right.
No, I'm doing it right. Do it right.
Alright, so I think quiet here.
Paoli limited.
Well, I'll show you the bull fucking horn. You gotta go.
Oh
That's how you blow a horn.
Boy! Let me show you how it's done.
Alright, come on.
Let me show you how it's
It's
done.
not loud.
You can't abuse the Nathan K5 LA.
No, it's not. It's a first gen.
Chill.
The train comes, stop.
Train?
Yeah.
Train coming?
There's another one coming.
4.
It's stopping, so just let her.
YouTube channel. What is he spilling?
That's what it is.
Oh yeah.
Alright, come on, we gotta get.
Oh, this is the first one ever. 4600. SEPTA.
All right, we are getting on. No payment required.
Welcome to New Car Maintenance Service.
Oh my goodness. Hey, I remember you.
We stole the ACS. We ended up scrolling. We start talking to SEPTA yards.
Welcome.
That light's on.
Gee, I wonder why.
There comes another new Fire Mini.
Oh yeah. We could have caught that one.
Well, I didn't really see if it was quiet or not. And right now, there's a Broad Street Spur leaving his station right now.
Oh yeah.
He's going to 8th and Market.
DE41.
DE41.
Number 8268.
What do you have to say for yourself? Aren't you so glad you're coming? Fern Rock Maintenance Facility, here we are.
Are we allowed to blow the horn on the
No.
Dang it. That's an old SEPTA owl.
I should have mentioned.
Well, all the older kids are in there.
Oh, third rail systems. So today we are boarding a 1981 Kawasaki.
I know. Look for them.
Oh look, we got other trains in the yard. I draw SEPTA books, so I have like a full book series. Is that? Hey, I see you. I see you.
Oh, right. Where's the trash go? In the trash truck?
And me and Chris were organizing that cage. So that's our junk that we're trying to work.
Right here?
Yeah, that's the old fridge.
Oh, right.
And then there's one over there with our stuff.
What is this thing? A diamond? What the? Bronze streetcar lights with the. Anyway.
Hold it over, like in front of Chris, like yeah, it's all on. Yeah, there you go. Oh, sorry. Here we go.
Sorry. I'm gonna throw it around. Look at that picture, man.
I know. I gotta get one too.
Why do ladies sound so pretty? Stop making a fuss. How about you? Look at the Flyers Heritage Unit.
Hold on.
This is the first SEPTA straight diesel since 2006.
What? We're there.
Hold up. Broad Street line, these 4 cars. So I'm kind of desperate for some railroading action, so. Alright, we're hopping on. I feel like I'm a CSX operator. No, you're not, bro.
Yeah, well, no, I am today.
Here's the generator, alternator. Here's the ventilations.
Alternator. GP9. I've never been in SEPTA maintenance diesel in my life.
This is not even a GP9. I said this is X GP9. They use GP9 trucks.
Bro, when everybody publishes their videos, I'm gonna watch all of them. And when I get a YouTube channel, I'm publishing this.
Yo.
Oh, yeah. So we got.
Well, thanks for letting us in, man.
Thank you. 70.
I'm a. Toilet. Toilet's right there.
Remember not to touch anything that's supposed
Wait,
to.
is this,
You are on camera.
Is this a restroom?
That's not a restroom, no. No, that's where we put like this electrical equipment.
Oh,
this
well,
storage, and
usually
fire
there-
Is there a
extinguisher.
bathroom in a
Yeah, for the freight trains,
locomotive?
this is.
There's no bathroom on the locomotive.
Oh, yeah, watch behind
The
you.
coach cars did used to have bathrooms until they got retrofitted. For a more modern look.
Got it.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, so this is the cab of
Pay
the
attention,
Diesel
team.
70.
Yeah, I'm listening.
Our gen set. I believe this is one of the few we're going to keep next year. We are planning to
Wait, why does it turn on the
It
bell?
has to have a bell that comes on when we hit the horn.
Is that an e-bell?
Yeah, I go press it.
No, it's an actual bell.
Well, can I press it?
And then we got the
Alright,
exhaust.
which one is
there.
it? This
This
one?
one here.
Alright.
Quick taps.
Oh, that's
That is
cool.
louder than all of them.
It is
Alright.
loud, so you'll know it'll come through.
Hold up, because like,
It's a little harder.
GP9.
Instructor, but he is technically a boss.
Right, okay.
As long as he gave me the okay.
Okay, yeah.
Wait, what time is, what day is the wire train coming through? Which time are you doing?
All next week and the week after. They're doing line work. So I'm not sure.
Are they gonna ever be on the Glenside main line?
no.